Everyone ready? James, let's go.
Billy likes his tractors, Mary loves her paint, Tommy's into rock and roll, and Sarah's feeling quaint. Each one walks a different path beneath the same old sky. Morning sun or midnight moon, they catch the world's eye. Jane's a city dreamer, Pete's a country king, Rachel's got a poet's touch, and Benny likes to sing. Different strokes for different folks, they all find their stride, marching to their heartbeat lives of frolic and ride. We all dance to different tunes, and that's perfectly fine, painting lives in our own hues and drawing out the line. Every soul a storybook with pages yet to turn. In the fire of our own hearts, different flames all burn. Alex drives a pickup, Nina rides the train, Johnny's chasing sunsets, and Lena loves the rain. Cards dealt in a shuffle deck, yet all of us must play, finding joy in who we are, and every single day we all dance to different tunes, and that's perfectly fine, painting lives in our own hues and drawing out the line. Every soul a storybook with pages yet to turn. In the fire of our own hearts, different flames all burn. Life's a grand mosaic, brilliant in its spread, pieces fitting seamlessly in yellow, blue, and red. Celebrate the differences, embrace what makes us true. In the mirror of each other, there's a brighter hue.